In 2026, the Russian skies echo with the roar of machines designed not only for dominance but for deterrence. While much of the world watches Ukraine and NATO reshape their aerial doctrines, Russia has pushed forward with its own evolution of air power, combining stealth, hypersonic speed, and missile-centric warfare. From next-generation Su-57 stealth fighters to the terrifying Kinzhal hypersonic missile, Russia's Air Force in 2026 is a symbol of technological ambition and battlefield readiness. In this video, we explore how Russia's fighter jets, drones, and missile systems have adapted for the future of war, blending raw power with cutting-edge defense. At the heart of Russia's 2026 Air Force lies the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, a fifth-generation stealth fighter that embodies Russia's response to Western air superiority. Unlike traditional Russian jets, the Su-57 boasts stealth shaping, internal weapon bays, radar-absorbing paint, and a wide radar cross-section reduction. Designed to rival the American F-22 and F-35, the Su-57 is built for both air-to-air dominance and ground attack versatility. It features thrust-vectoring engines allowing for supermaneuverability and can operate in contested airspace while evading detection. In 2026, Su-57 production has increased, with dozens more deployed across key airbases from the Arctic Circle to the Pacific coast. But Russia doesn't rely on a single airframe. The Su-35's flankery, Su-34 fullback, MiG-31BM Foxhound, and MiG-35 still form a deadly multi-role mix. Each serves a specialized function: intercept, long-range strike, battlefield support, or electronic warfare. These jets, while older in design, have been modernized with AESA radars, advanced ECM pods, and upgraded avionics. Together, they form a layered air doctrine, fast, heavily armed, and supported by one of the most extensive missile arsenals on Earth. Climb inside the cockpit of a 2026 Russian fighter jet, and you'll find a fusion of analog power and digital modernization. Su-57s now come equipped with panoramic touchscreens, 360-degree infrared sensor coverage, and a helmet-mounted display that provides pilots with visual missile locks and radar data directly on their visor. Pilots of the Su-35 and MiG-35 have upgraded glass cockpits, secure communication systems, and satellite-linked command interfaces that allow coordination with airborne drones and ground assets in real time. Artificial intelligence modules onboard Su-57s assist in target recognition, threat prioritization, and even evasive maneuvers during close combat. Russia's unique concept of intelligent autonomy allows pilots to manually override AI but often lets the system engage automatically in high-G dogfight scenarios. Training has become more simulator-heavy, using virtual reality environments to replicate NATO air tactics and drone warfare. Meanwhile, Russian drone operators controlling stealth UAVs like the S-70 Okhotnik-B coordinate directly with pilots from